Introducing the ENER-J Flexi Video Doorbell, your ultimate home security solution. No monthly fees and no hub needed. Receive instant alerts on your smartphone from anywhere, anytime someone rings your doorbell. Experience a unique square viewing angle and a wide 110-degree field of view. See visitors from head to toe or spot packages on the ground. Enjoy the flexibility of dual power options. Use the built-in rechargeable battery or connect it to existing wiring for continuous power. Enhance your security with a built-in siren and two-way audio. Deter intruders and communicate with visitors for added peace of mind. Never miss a moment with 1080p HD video and crisp night vision. Get instant notifications for doorbell presses and motion detection. The larger rechargeable battery provides up to 120 days of power for added convenience. And it doesn't end there. Our Flexi Video Doorbell comes with an indoor USB chime, ready to be plugged into any USB socket. Available from all leading electrical wholesalers. Elevate your home security with ENER-J's Flexi Video Doorbell.